Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Mad Dog in the Fog. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song and we're going to begin with the first verse, which starts off with 4 chords of F major. That is a bar chord built up from fret 1 on the E string, 3, 3 on the A and D, we've got 2 on the G, and the barred finger picks up the remaining. The second of the 4 chords is D minor, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 1 on the high E. Most people play D minor with that finger there. Just go with whatever fingering you prefer. I prefer that one. The third of the 4 chords, C major, 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, open E. And the last of the 4 chords we need for this first verse is a B flat major chord. I'll show you 2 different ways of playing it. The one that I'm going to be using throughout the video is 1 on the A string, 3, 3, 3 on the D, G and B. The alternate version, which I know is quite common and popular, is fret 6. It's basically the F major chord built from fret 6. Feel free to use either one, it's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. But for me, I just find that one easier to get to. So in terms of strumming, what we have is this. Down, up, 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 down, up. And what we're going to do is make sure that we have a stressed 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're getting 2 lots of that pattern each. F, D minor, C, B flat. And if we take those 4 chords and loop it around twice, you get most of the first verse. There's a small little section at the end of the verse, which I'll tell you in just a moment, but what I will do is mention that I have wrote out the chord chart for this song, which is the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and the lyrics matched together. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match together. Well, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases. So feel free to check that out. However, let's talk about that last part of the verse, because we have a new chord of G minor, which is just like the F major shape, up 1, 2 frets. We're now fret 3, but we remove this middle finger. Apologies if it looks like I'm giving you the finger, I promise I'm not. And what we do is we play 2 lots of the G minor. And then we have B flat major, so that would actually be useful to go up to this one. And those 2 chords end the first verse. The great thing is we then have a second verse where we take everything we've just talked about and repeat it. We then have a pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus has some new ideas going on with it. We have C major, B flat, F. That repeats. So that's C, B flat to F, but then G minor, B flat, and C. So yeah, there's a ton of different chords going on there. Feels like it's taking parts from the first verse but jumbling them up at the same time. That's why I thought I'd write out everything on, put it on Patreon. Makes life so much easier. We then get to the chorus where things change quite a lot. We have so many chord changes. We have F, D, C, B flat. They repeat 4 times. Jeez, that is very fast. So yeah, that's F to D minor, C major to B flat. It's basically a beat on each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll play those 4 chords round 4 times in a row for the first part of the chorus. The last part of the chorus, similar to the last part of the pre-chorus, we have G minor, B flat major, and C. Now I wish things got simpler. However, we then have a post-chorus. Basically, it's the same part as the first part of the chorus. Play that round twice. At this point, we do start to get quite a lot of repetition. I look over to my notes, which is what I've put on Patreon. There is a third verse, same as the first, so just repeat that part. There's then a pre-chorus and chorus, exactly the same. In fact, there's a post-chorus, which is exactly the same as well. We then get to the bridge. Now the bridge is just like the first verse, F to D minor, C to B flat. Do that twice, then 2 lots of G minor and B flat. Exactly the same. It's just vocally and instrumentally. There's a few other changes there, but our chords are the same. We then have a double chorus, same as all the choruses beforehand, so we'll skip over that, before we have an outro, where we just play 2 bars of F major. And that will get you to the end of the song. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, slowly getting closer to 10,000 subscribers, hopefully there soon. I also want to say a quick thanks to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons, so when this video goes live, they will get instant access to that content straight away. So thanks for them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.